Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily chat with Revolut support. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily chat with Revolut support on your mobile phone. Just open your Revolut app and at the top, you can easily see the support icon. Just click on it. You will be redirected to the frequently asked questions page. You can easily just select an issue from the list, but if you scroll down, you can also see the chat to us icon. You can just simply click on it. From there, you should now be redirected to the Revolut support page where you can ask your questions, chat with them, and send your queries and just wait for them to reply so they can further assist you with your concerns. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!